Save me a seat. Tuesday. Hamburgers. Chapter 9. Review. I lay out my math notebook, which Amma and I have carefully covered with brown paper. The label in neat cursive says, Ravi Suryanarayanan, Grade 5, Albert Einstein Elementary School, Mathematics. It is my mother's handwriting. We went to Staples together last week to buy all my school supplies, but she insisted on writing out the labels herself. Even Parima has to admit that Amma's handwriting is beautiful. Your book is the first thing your teacher will notice, Ravi, Amma told me as she carefully wrote my name on one of the smooth white labels. First impressions matter. Now, sitting at my desk, I run my hand over my math notebook and smile. In India, I was the winner of the Math Olympiad 3 years in a row. I know all my multiplication tables till 20. Appa is right. There's nothing wrong with showing off a little. I am sure that after this morning, Mrs. Beam will realize what kind of student I really am, and this silly business about Miss Frost and special help will be over. I placed my new pencil box next to the notebook Amma made sure that every item on the school supplies list was bought. 3 mechanical pencils, 2 erasers, a 6-inch ruler, 2 highlighters, 4 ruled notebooks, and a pack of 3M Post-its. I keep looking over at Mrs. Beam, but I don't think that she has noticed yet how well prepared I am. She's busy writing on the whiteboard. In India, we only had blackboards. I loved the soft scraping noise the chalk made and the smell of the dusty erasers. The desk in front of me is empty. I wonder if Dylan Samring will be absent today. But at the last minute, he comes rushing into class and takes his seat. I'm glad my new friend is going to be here to witness what's about to happen. I'm sure he will be impressed. Let's do a quick review, Mrs. Beam announces. Easy peasy. I think when I see the math problems Mrs. Beam has written on the board, is this what 5th graders in America are doing? I was expecting something much harder, like maybe order of operations or something to do with decimals and fractions. The big guy who sits behind me is groaning and moaning. I turn around to see what's wrong with him and notice his name card for the first time. Joe Sylvester. As I'm reading his name, Joe Sylvester suddenly looks up. I smile, but he doesn't smile back. I can't believe kids in America are allowed to come to school looking like him. In India, we had to wear uniforms with dress pants, a collared shirt, and a tie. Joe Sylvester has on tracksuit pants, an unironed t-shirt. I face front again and straighten my back. Good posture is also on Amma's list of ways to make a good first impression. Joe Sylvester is slouching in his chair. Who would like to come up and show us how to solve the first problem? Mrs. Beam asks the class. I push up my glasses, take a deep breath, and raise my hand.